In this video, I'm going to show you how to replay a YouTube channel on Apple TV. Whether you want to rewatch a live stream, catch up on a past broadcast, or simply loop your favorite content. While YouTube doesn't have a direct replay channel feature like some streaming services, there are still smart ways to get the job done. If the channel streamed a live event or broadcast, open the YouTube app on your Apple TV and go directly to that channel. Look for the Live tab or check the channel's homepage. Sometimes they keep past live streams pinned at the top. From there, just tap the video you want to replay and hit play. You can pause, rewind, or re-watch it as many times as you like. Want to loop a specific video? Use your iPhone or iPad to cast the video to Apple TV via the YouTube app's cast icon. Then loop playback from your phone. Just tap the repeat button in the playback settings and it'll keep playing on your TV. Another trick: if you're watching YouTube on Safari on Apple TV with supported devices, you can enable picture-in-picture mode or use third-party apps that let you replay and loop videos more easily. Thanks for watching. If this helped you replay your favorite YouTube content on Apple TV, drop a comment below and let me know if you used a live stream or looped a regular video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming tips. See you next time.